Alright, second update here. Drilling the tank. I'm actually halfway through it. I just remembered probably should be filming this. So yeah, this was my first time, like I said in the last video, drilling an aquarium, or any glass at that matter. See how it goes. Alright, like I said, so far, it's working out. I'm using JB Weld's stick as the little moat that I made there, so. There she be. Kind of scared me there. Alright. Well, first hole. First aquarium I've ever drilled, so I would imagine that's pretty hot. I think it looks kind of crooked. I don't know if it kind of messed up in the beginning, but as in, you know, that edge right there. I don't know. Whatever. It's gonna have to work. Cause pretty sure it's permanent. Alright. So I'm not gonna bore you guys to death on watching me drill the next 3 holes, but the small hole there, if you guys were wondering, and the small hole that will be there are the return lines. So if you don't understand that yet, you will when I start plumbing it. Everything will kind of make sense. But this here is the top of the tank, the top back of the tank, obviously the bottom there. So the 2 big ones with the template there are the drain lines, and so this is where return plumbing is going to come up on these 2 through the 2 bulkheads there. So slowly but surely, stay tuned.